Welcome to this tutorial of the Kratos ROM application. The main objective of this tutorial will be to show users how to build reduced order models using the Kratos ROM application. As such, we are not interested here on mathematical details or theoretical nuances on reduced order models, but mainly on inputs, outputs, and data manipulation. The content of this tutorial is the following. First, we will see an overview of ROMs in Kratos. Then we will see how to set up a full order model for a structural mechanics example. Using that model, we will see how to set up a reduced order model. We will see then how to set up a different physics, in this case a fluid dynamics example. And finally, we will see some advanced options in the Kratos ROM application. Each of these points will have its own separate video. We start here by focusing on an overview of ROMs in Kratos. So, this is the scenario that we are interested in. There is a full order model. This is a standard Kratos simulation. For this example, I have chosen a structural mechanics application simulation. This simulation gives me a solution U, which could be the displacement at all degrees of freedom. So U is a vector with dimension number of degrees of freedom. One might also be interested in a quantity of interest that is computed by the simulation, and that, for example, can be in this case a scalar. We are interested then in knowing how either the complete solution field or a quantity of interest change given changes in these parameters mu. Mu encapsulates the parameter variations that could be, for this structural mechanics example, boundary conditions, loading conditions, or material properties. So if I change the loading or the material, I want to see how the displacement or some other quantity of interest change. So this might be time consuming, and one might then be interested in obtaining the following. I might be interested in getting approximated solutions that are accurate enough for my purposes, but that are obtained much faster. So given changes in boundary conditions and material properties, I want to see approximated displacements or approximations to this quantity of interest. We are doing this through the usage of reduced order models in the reduced order model application. In order to build this model, this reduced order model, one needs to do the following. First step is to train the reduced order model by launching P instantiations of the full order model. That is, I need to launch P simulations for different inputs parameters, for example, for different loading conditions or material properties. I need P simulations. I launch them and I collect the resulting vectors in a matrix. This matrix is then analyzed and optimized through some methods that we will discuss in later videos, but we obtain some data for reduced order models. Then one would like to launch these same parameters from mu1 to mu p and obtain approximated vectors u. Finally, one would like to validate that the reduced order model is behaving correctly by comparing the outputs of the training parameters mu1 to mu p, so the outputs of the full order models and the outputs of the reduced order models. These would be done for the training parameters, but this should also be done later for some testing unseen parameters. All of these procedures are managed in Kratos through the usage of this ROM Manager class. As you will see in later videos, the ROM Manager will seamlessly orchestrate this training campaign. In our following video, we will see how to set up a single one of these full order model simulations.